So I tried to get everything as close to me as I could, and then also have it so it's high enough so I could get everything. Move this out of the way and decide 4 colors, I guess? Yeah. I mean, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I guess I'll only do 3. And I will do it to just my standard colors, I guess, because I have some. Oh, great. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, okay. So I'll just do it to my standard colors. This is Artist's Loft Neon Pink. I really don't need too much. This is Liquitex Basics in Quinacridone Magenta. And I have also oh, you know what? I am gonna do 4 colors. I have an idea. If I can get this open. I should have opened these all earlier. Okay. Artist's Loft Light Magenta. That was a struggle. And then I'm also going to add it to a stick. I don't have sticks for everything. Stick. I'm also going to add it to my Riotech Carbon Black, if I can get it open again. Struggle is real. Okay. There, got 4 colors. I'll add a couple of drops of silicone to each. I'm getting good at this drop thing. It's like squeeze one, let the other one fall out. It's usually what it does anyways. So this is, I'm still using my Argan Oil of Morocco silicone oil thing stuff. Yeah. Okay, so now to save myself some effort. This is Artist's Loft Titanium White and Winsor & Newton Crimson. Made a really nice like salmon pink. This is Artist's Loft Light Magenta and Titanium White. I just mixed white with a bunch of my pinks. Made a really nice lighter pink. This is the Quinacridone Magenta mixed with white. And last but not least, this is the the Neon Pink mixed with white. So I'm gonna get my standard colors out of the way here, and then get my extra sticks out of the way. I don't even know where to start. Start with a light, because why not? Magenta. I can't breathe. Oh, I don't know. Okay. I'll do this. This. So far. I'll add black. Haven't added any of the baby pink. I'm also gonna neon. This one. Oh, now I'm spilling everywhere. And that's why I get the canvas out of the way. gonna dump the rest of the black through it now. Sorry. Yeah. I mean... Okay. Do that. Baby pink. Do this. That. This. That. I'm sorry, I have emails coming in now. Great. I'm gonna turn that off. Should have put my phone on do not disturb first, and I'm sorry. Okay. So now I'm just putting lids back on things. So I know what's what. I'm getting stuff all over the place. Okay, so, oh, one more. Also get my cups out of the way here. Not the flip cup though. That one's important. Still. Okay. Let's see. How this grows. Still need to get close. Okay. Now that I flipped it, grabbing the gloves, and while I'm putting them on, I will tell you a little story about what happened to me this morning, because I was supposed to film this a lot earlier and I just didn't have the opportunity until like now. I went for a walk to go get a coffee because there's a Tim Hortons close by, and on my way home I found this baby robin whose eye was kind of funky, and I felt bad because he's in the middle of the road. So I'm like, what? So I brought him home, gave him some water, he started chirping. I brought him back to where I found him, and Mommy came and got him, which I thought was really sweet. And then on my way home I found another fledgling, and I'm like, why? Both robins, adorable little things. I helped the other one off the sidewalk, and that was about it, because he was okay. Oh, by the way, this is how that purple and blue one dried from the other day. Purdy. My dehumidifier got full, and then it didn't want to dry because it's been really humid and sticky and ugh. Alright, so now I'm gonna put down my white base. That was a little bit gloopier than I thought it was gonna be. Oh well. So, yeah. Had fun with that robin, that was for sure. I felt so good at the end of the day being like, oh, he was so sweet. He just kind of rode, I mean, like legit, he just like sat on my hand all the way home. He even shifted a little bit, so when he pooped, he didn't poop on me, and I thought that was cute. But then I got home with the poor bird, and I set him down on this box that we have outside of our sunroom, and instant jealous cat. Roman was just all up in there. He was like, what is this? Why do you have a baby bird? Anyways, that bird's happy now. He's back where he should be, and that's good enough for me. So that was an interesting little bit for my morning. I'm like, oh my god, a bird! I don't know what to do. And then, well, I have a local wildlife group that I follow, so they helped a lot. This is so pretty. I love pink and black together. Alright. fun screwing around with that. I'm gonna tilt it first and then I'll torch it afterwards because, well, that's how I like to do things. I'll do it like this first. Didn't get that corner completely, but I'll get it after. Wow, there's some good air. Oh, there it goes. Good air bubble. Back up the center. Could mix a color in here. So many different layers. I guess I'll bring it down off this corner too. My ear is ringing. It's oddly quiet and it's weird. Jeff's asleep in the other room, so that's probably why it seems so quiet too. Wow. That is awesome. I'm really happy I put the silicone in the black for a change. I never really had silicone to my lips. It was a neat thing to see. Oh, did I just drip on? No, I didn't trip on the floor. I tripped myself out with my own sweatshirt thing. Like the cord on my sweatshirt or whatever. It swung. In a way that it like just kind of flicked out in front of me. So this one's for my friend Paige. Paige is someone that I have known for a very, very long time. We didn't go to high school together or anything. We just a lot of people you meet people. Come on. That should be good. I could already see things starting to pop up, which is oh so nice. I also don't want to burn it. Oh, also, weird thing. Making yogurt, because why not? I have to strain it later, and yeah. Also, follow me on social media. Everything you need for my social media stuff is in the description below. Also, please read my community posts. I do post them quite regularly, and well, they don't seem to be getting as much love as they should be, I guess. There's nothing really bad about them. They're just they're feel-good posts. So I will get you down for a close-up because this is just amazing. And yeah, this is so cool. Well, Paige, you picked some great colors, girl, because this looks awesome. I can't believe all the cells that decided to come up. I didn't even think that, you know, the amount of silicone I used, I didn't think that many cells would come up, but it's so cool because you can see the different, like, layers in each cell, I guess. Let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments below. Also, like this video if you like this painting. Share with your friends to spread the love. Follow me on social media, please, and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you all next time.